Okay, so to actually send an email with Python, just make sure that you are currently using Python 3 and the latest or later version. So to check your Python version, really, you can just say on your terminal, Python version. Of course, mine is Python version 3.7, okay? So I am actually currently using PyCharm as my IDE, Integrated Development Environment. You can use VS Code and Atom, whichever one that you want, but I just prefer to use PyCharm, right? And when you create a new project in PyCharm, it automatically creates a virtual environment for you. Now, in case you're new to virtual environment is sort of like a way for you to actually create a room or a space for the present project. Instead of you using just one Python space for all your project and messing things around, you can actually always have like a particular environment for each of your projects, and that's what the virtual environment does. So you can actually Google virtual environment or just look up for a course on our platform on Instinct Hub to see, to learn about virtual environment. So, but the focus of this very course is to force to send an email and also making use of Excel spreadsheet. Now, on a very broader view, we're going to actually look at 3 aspects of this program. First, we need to check for membership status. So we need to actually look through our Excel spreadsheet and check for people who are yet to pay and select their names, their email accounts, their name and email account and the status, and send them a unique email. Secondly is we are going to actually log in into our email. After we log in, then we then send out the reminder to each of the people on the list. Now, these are 3 things that we are going to be doing. So we're going to take them one after the other. So for us to be able to actually work with an Excel spreadsheet, so I have a sample in this reminder email folder. I have a sample in the reminder email folder. So you can actually download this from the GitHub repository. You can actually, just download that. So you will see the file, Excel file, which you can actually download. The link to this will be provided. Alternatively, you can actually create this by yourself. You can create this by yourself, right? So the Excel spreadsheet looks like this. You have the name, the member's name, you have the email, then you have the year. So some of the members have paid for the whole months, while some miss some of the months. Okay, so we are going to be targeting those who are yet to make their payments. Okay, so we'll just keep all of this row that has paid and just make use of those who are yet to make payments. So this is very, very, really handy when most especially you have an event and you want to send an email to members who are yet to actually finish their registrations or who are yet to make payment. This can really become very, very handy. Okay, so now that you have an idea of what needs to be done, so what we need to do first is make sure that we import the Excel module. So it's called Open Python Excel, so like PyXL. Basically, the module allows us to actually interact with Excel. That's the only way we can interact with Excel. So we can just say import and say open Excel. You can see PyCharm already suggested that for us.